Alright folks, how you doing? So here's another example of how utterly useless an upper lesser type A is, and believe me, they really are pretty goddamn useless. It's a good thing they have looks, because they don't have much in the way of brains.
Who's the alpha dog, Charlie? Grow a pair, Charlie. Hey, Alan, come here.
What's going on?
I'm doing Lydia's laundry.
Can I throw in my handkerchief?
Now, the actor here, John Cryer, he does a good job of portraying a lot of the traits of a middle mid-range type B narcissist. Now, is he actually a narcissist or not? I'm not totally sure. I don't really know an awful lot about mid-range narcissism at the moment, but it is certainly very possible that Alan Harper is a mid-range type B, and a lot of those traits include self-pity, crybaby, poor me, etc. I mean, in his case it's very much justified, but still.
It wouldn't help. You probably have to burn it.
Okay, and why are you doing Lydia's laundry?
Because Berta won't.
Then why doesn't Lydia do it herself?
Berta, by the way, also a narcissist.
Because I told her I'd get Berta to do it.
Aha! And do you have any idea how to do laundry?
Oh, come on. You wash them, you dry them. How tough could it be?
Yes, folks, it is actually possible for an upper lesser type A. I'm trying to keep all the different schools of narcissism straight in my head. It's not easy. But yeah, it is actually possible for an upper lesser type A to get into their mid-40s / early 50s and not know how to use a washing machine or a laundry machine. That is actually possible. This is the type of narcissist that you're dealing with.
So what do you need me for?
Which one's the washer?
Upper lesser A's skate by on charisma and good looks.
That one.
Thanks.
Just kidding, it's that one. Sorry, it was the first one. Look, it says wash on the dial.
Yep. Middle mid-range type Bs can be very snarky and passive-aggressive, as can all mid-range narcissists.
Okay, I can do this. I just turn it on and stick them in.
It's a washing machine, not a cocktail waitress.
So with this slide, cheap remarks, yeah, that's definitely the signs of a mid-range narcissist.
Let's start by separating her delicates.
How is that not like a cocktail waitress?
The reason you need to do these separately is they're mostly synthetic.
Had a beat-up civic and an ex-husband, and we're back to cocktail waitress.
Charming. Hand me the detergent.
This stuff here?
No, that's fabric softener. You put that in after the first rinse cycle.
You know what? Maybe I'll just buy her some new clothes.
Yeah, upper lesser type A's, they can be that lazy.
Don't be such a baby. Detergent. See? There we go. Cold wash, cold rinse, gentle cycle, done.
What's that?
That would be water entering the washing machine.
Amazing.
Yeah, upper lesser type A's, they're like big children, they really are, honestly. They're total airheads and they're totally useless.
Yeah, it's pretty cutting edge.
Did I break it?
Close the lid.
Son of a gun.
Did I mention that they're a little bit childish?
What will they think of next?
Yeah, I hear scientists are working on a machine that can cook 2 pieces of bread at the same time.
Yeah, you see the condescending nature of the mid-range narcissist with Alan Harper here. I'm pretty sure, not 100%, but I'm pretty sure a lot of his behaviours fit the profile of a mid-range type B.
Yeah. Very funny. Now what?
We wait.
How will we know when they're done?
Don't worry. The machine will call you on your cell phone.
Really?
Yeah, they really can be that clueless. Upper lesser type A's. Oh man, if this doesn't, give you the perfect picture of the upper lesser type A, how useless and how childish and how naive, and basically how clueless they are, then I don't know what the hell will. I mean, absolutely clueless. They live in a total delusional fairy tale land, where they're the prince of their own story, but they can't even do their own laundry. That is an upper lesser type A to a T. Anyway, thanks for watching.